Hello student, in the sequence of chapter 13, why do we fall ill? Today's topic is infectious and non-infectious causes of disease. Student, all of you know that we have two main causes for any type of diseases. Causes number 1, immediate causes, and next contributory causes. Now, when immediate causes further classified as two distinct types, naming are infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases, and you can also say infectious causes and non-infectious causes. First, about the infectious causes. They can spread by air, water, food contact, insect, etc. They are caused by infectious agent like some microorganisms. Now, about the non-infectious diseases. They are not infectious and cannot be spread. They are not caused by a pathogen. So, student, first of all, more explanation about the infectious disease. First thing, what are microorganisms and what are the characteristics of microorganisms? Microorganisms are generally a single cell organisms, very tiny and existed for billions of years. Then, what is pathogen? Pathogen or a biological agent or a such type of microorganism which are responsible for diseases or disrupt the normal physiology of a multicellular animals or plant. These are commonly known as pathogens. However, pathogen can infect unicellular organisms from all the biological kingdoms. So you can say those type of microorganisms are responsible for illness or causes of diseases, also known as pathogens. Student, we have number of pathogens like viruses, bacteria, fungi, and protozoa. These are also categorized as the pathogen, but you must be remember that not all type of bacteria, fungi, and protozoa are responsible for disease causing. So only those type of bacteria, fungi, protozoa are responsible for disease. These are considered as pathogens. Now about the non-infectious diseases. Student, today's lifestyle is most prominent reason for the non-infectious diseases. Another, our environmental factors, genetic factors, these are responsible for the non-infectious diseases. So that means they are not external causes that cannot spread in the community, but non-infectious diseases where intrinsic factor or internal organ are responsible for this type of disease, and name of disease are the non-infectious diseases. Our next video relate with the some examples of this type of diseases. Thank you.